They are.
They're doing a Jaden. So me and Tanya, say hi, Tanya. Yeah, she's the North Carolina allergies. It's her first time, and I'm making sure my teammates. Girl, please. You know what? It's like you have to remind people we have allergies here. Sometimes a sneeze is just a sneeze. Okay, okay, it's just a sneeze. Yeah, don't go crazy. Take you some Claritin or Allegra, whatever that is. You gonna need that. You gonna need that. You gonna need that when you come to North Carolina. Okay, or don't. Gotta go.